55-year-old Colin Gray, the father of Apalachee High School shooter Colin Gray, is asking for a new trial.
Gray's attorneys filed the appeal Wednesday in Barrow County, days after he was sentenced to 15 years in prison. But what does the process look like? Fox 5's Larry Sproul joins us. And Larry, you talked to an attorney about this.
I did. Good evening, Russ and Christina. The attorney basically said it's going to be a very long process. Now, the attorney, Jackie the Fly lawyer Patterson, says this will be a long process with a lot of steps. Now, he's not affiliated with this case, but has years of experience in criminal defense cases.
If I was his attorney, the biggest thing I would have argued is that the statute does not apply to Colin Gray.
The Fly lawyer is not connected to this case, but has years of experience in criminal defense. He got a chance to look at the appeal filed by Colin Gray's attorneys.
As an appellate attorney, I've had a chance to look at the motion for a new trial that was filed by his lawyer, and he's basically saying that the evidence was insufficient.
Gray's attorneys filed a motion for a new trial Wednesday in Barrow County, just days after he was sentenced to 15 years in prison. He was found guilty of 2 counts of second-degree murder, 2 counts of involuntary manslaughter, multiple counts of second-degree cruelty to children, and reckless conduct for the Apalachee school shooting in September 2024.
This statute says that in order to be guilty, the person must physically do cruelty to a child when this child dies. Colin Gray never did anything to anyone at that school.
And that's the argument Gray's attorneys are using in his defense. Gray provided his son, Colt, with the gun used to kill 2 teachers and 2 students and wounded dozens of others in the 2024 tragedy. The filing argues the guilty verdict was contrary to evidence and without evidence to support it, and decidedly and strongly against the weight of the evidence.
Generally, when you argue that the evidence is insufficient, in most cases, the judge will deny that. That's just the way it works. They'll let the Court of Appeals or the Supreme Court determine, depending on your issue, because this case will go to the Supreme Court because it involves a murder case.
So, of course, now what is next? Now, the judge will have to consider the defense's arguments and determine whether the convictions should stand or Gray should receive a new trial.
So there are many more steps to this, it seems like, before a decision is made.
A long process indeed.
Yeah. All right, Larry, thanks so much.
Larry, thanks. Gray's son Colt is serving a life sentence without parole. That sentence was handed down after Colt entered a guilty plea for the 2024 shooting. Chief Judge Nicholas Prim called his crimes deliberate, contemplated evil.